Armed Forces Day, Bangladesh. On 21st November, Armed Forces Day in Bangladesh, we celebrate the official founding of the Bangladesh Armed Forces. It marks the day in 1971 when the Army, Navy, and Air Force united to launch joint operations against the Pakistan occupation forces. This day holds special significance in the history of Bangladesh, honoring the sacrifices made by the members of the armed forces during the Liberation War. The Bangladesh Liberation War began as a resistance movement in March 1971. As the Pakistan Army cracked down, guerrilla fighters organized small groups and followed hit-and-run tactics. Bengali military personnel who were part of the Pakistan Army, Navy, and Air Force deserted their units to join the Bangladesh forces. They formed regular units across the Indian border, creating the Land Force, Naval Wing, and Air Wing. The Bangladesh Army underwent restructuring and organized into 3 brigade-sized combat groups. These groups, known as Z Force, K Force, and S Force, played a crucial role in the Liberation War. The Bengali sailors and officers in the Pakistan Navy formed the emerging Bangladesh Navy. The Bangladesh Air Force was officially formed on 28 September 1971.